This is Vienna Farm. This is property of my mother, which is Vienna. Dito sa place na to ginagawa lahat ng mga furniture pieces. This is the place where I get inspiration, ideas. This is my resting place pag tired na sa busyness of Metro Manila. I'm Randy Valenzuela. I'm the owner and founder of Randallwood Farm Furniture Company. It was July 2017 when I noticed some pieces of wood while driving from Bulacan to Manila. And then I said to myself na I want those kinds of wood. I can make tables out of them. Wala namang akong pwedeng mapagpagawaan nun, and I think I can do it myself. So I tried to buy as a sample 3 pieces of them, and then I tried to post them online, and then that's it. To make the long story short, nagustuhan ng client, and then until now, same process. My brand signature style is live edge furniture. So being a furniture that has live edge, it is a factor that gives character not just only to the piece of wood or the furniture, but to the area where you put it. The main reason is that I'm kind of fascinated because live edge gives character to the furniture itself. Pag nilagay mo siya sa isang plain and simple area, it complements with the place, it gives character dun sa area. With the furniture that I make, every client is assured that it is one of a kind. The design is one piece per design. The most memorable piece that I worked on was an acacia table with a glass at the center. It was because it was a 10-foot table, and then it was an American who ordered it. So for me, I think it's very challenging because he is very detailed when it comes to the specifics of the table, like the dimensions of the thickness and then how it's sturdy. I think Randallwood furniture pieces is for the clients or people who appreciates art, who appreciates being unique, and those who are very adventurous when it comes to designing their spaces. Because as I've said before, Randallwood furniture is almost one of a kind per furniture. For me, one of the trickiest parts in working with live edge slab is the dimension itself, because when a client has a specific measurement, so since live edge siya, so hindi ko pwedeng mabigay yung exact dimension, and then pag nakita naman nila yung finished product, hindi na nila naiisip yung dimension. For me, the top 3 best slab to work with, number 1 is acacia, because of the natural grains. So, hindi mo na kailangang i-wood stain. The natural lines itself is a character mismo. And then number 2 for me is the century-old manga tree, and then Camachile, because of the reddish, but not red as mahogany. And then the hardest wood to work with is Caimito roots. I like the shape, but it's very hard. So most of my tools are getting destroyed while working on it. So luckily, yung mga wood na na-mention ko before is available lahat dito sa farm. If you're a first-time client purchase a live edge furniture, to maintain it is just very simple. You have to use paintbrush because since it's a live edge, there are some areas that can't be reached by a natural damp cloth. Then after that, just a damp cloth, and then a furniture wood preservative, an oil, lemon oil, grapeseed oil. I've been in Dubai last year. I visited Burj Khalifa. So when I saw the building itself, at least one of my furniture to be there. I want my furniture to be in Burj Khalifa. My first live edge furniture was sold way back November 25, 2017. It was sold online. It was a console table, and I delivered it in condominium in Ortigas. It was a 5,000 peso live edge mango tree console table. So that's very memorable. I will never forget that piece. After a week, she ordered a different item, which is a santol bench. Also live edge, of course. This is my hobby, but I'm earning from the things that I love doing.